My name is Dr. Tom Baker. I am an associate professor of history at SUNY Potsdam. Today, bringing a number of students who I'm working with on a transcription project. This one is focused on some letters from the 1870s from local North Country people. And what the students do is they take a look at letters from the 19th century. They have to transcribe them. So today we're in the Potsdam Public Museum, which is in downtown Potsdam. I refer to it as Metro Potsdam. This is a great place, not just because it has a museum full of interesting things that relate to Potsdam and the local area, but also because they have an archive. We have a real good relationship with the Potsdam Public Museum. They've helped our students over the years. We've had a lot of internships. So we like to help the Potsdam Public Museum reach its mission to be a real place that really supports community identity.